Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Derek Fisher and this is my daughter Olivia Fisher. And today we are going to talk a little bit about keeping things secret. So what I have here, and Olivia, you can hold up the box. So we have a padlock, we have some keys, and we have a secret box. And I'm going to try to hide a message or a secret from Olivia. And the secret I am going to hide from her is my favorite vegetable.
Cucumbers. Pickles.
So, I have my favorite vegetable written down on this little piece of paper that I am going to hide from Olivia. So Olivia, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my little secret here. I'm going to use the treasure box to keep it secret. All right? What do you think? Is that secret?
Not really.
Yeah. So what we call that is security by obscurity. What that means is obscure means to hide. So if we're using this little box to hide something, it doesn't mean that it's really secure, right? Because anybody can walk by and pick it up. It's similar to like hiding a key under a rock or something like that, where anybody would be able to pick up the rock and be able to see what's underneath. All right. So now I'm going to get a little bit smarter, and I am going to use the box, put my secret in the box, close it up, and hide it from Olivia. Yeah. So why don't you show everybody how you did that? Because I know it's really tough.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So I put it in the box, and it's not visible to anybody, but the thing is that anybody can walk by and be able to open up the lock. And this is very similar to not having a password or a PIN code on your device, like your iPad or your phone or something like that, right? All right, so now I'm getting even smarter. I'm going to start using the lock here. And I am going to lock up the box. All right, can you open it?
No.
Okay. Well, good news for you, Olivia. I'm going to give you the keys to the chest if you can answer this really difficult question. All right? You ready? Super difficult.
All right.
What color is the sky?
Blue.
You got it. All right. Well, you know what? So, now you can get in and get my secret there. Now, the thing about that is that if you use a password that is very weak, where it's easy to guess or easy to know, then you're not really getting good security on your secret, right? Because you were able to guess that pretty easily. All right, now here's a really tough one, all right? And I will give you the keys if you get this one right, all right? How do you spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious and do it in 2 seconds? 1, 2. So I'm so sorry. But so the point of that is that the more difficult you make your password, the harder it is for somebody to get into. Now, of course, I don't know how to spell supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, so you need to use something that's a little bit easier for you to know, but harder for somebody else to guess. Okay. All right. And my favorite vegetable is, what do you think?
Pickles.
Nope.
What?
I do like pickles, but Brussels sprouts. I do like Brussels sprouts. I'm a weird one because I like Brussels sprouts. All right, well, thank you, everybody. And thank you for joining us, and we'll talk to you later.
Yep.
Say bye.